All right, this is going to be Geometry 1, Unit 1, which is Intro to Geometry. This is the review for the exam. So let's take a look at what we got here. We have, it says right here, no precise definition of angle, circles, perpendicular line, parallel line, and line segment based on the undefined notion of point, line, distance, and along a line. Use figure below. Assume that lines that look parallel are parallel. So name pairs of parallel lines. So I'm going to go through this and I'm going to color code this because there are so many here that I want to make sure that all of them are addressed. Okay, so we have parallel lines. We got AB is going to be parallel to DE. BC is going to be parallel to EF. CF is going to be parallel to BE and is also going to be parallel to AD. So all those are going to be parallel. Now we have that AC is going to be parallel to DF. So those are going to be all the parallels. So I have it all listed out for you for a reason. So now all we have to do is, name a pair. So let's say that A, B is parallel, here's symbol for parallel, to DE. Okay, for now the next one right here says name a pair of perpendicular lines. Now perpendicular lines, they intersect forming a 90-degree angle. So I have a couple of them here. So I have a couple here. So I'm going to go with this. So I will highlight this. I have this here, this here. Okay, so those are going to be parallel or perpendicular to each other. Okay, it forms right angles here. So we're just going to go with the ones. Yes, there is going to be a couple other ones here, like having to do with going in this directions. But I'm only going to focus on these ones. There's a right angle there, so why not use it? So let's say that AB is going to be perpendicular to BC. So name a pair. Now the next thing says, let me zoom in. It says right here, use the diagram below to answer the following questions. Name a linear pair. So for 2A, linear pair. So linear pair, what it does is two angles together that form a straight line. They're touching each other and they add up to 180. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, let's trace over one. So I have a straight line there, a straight line there. So I just need two angles that make up either one of those lines. So I'm going to go here, and then the other one that goes along with this one would be to here. So together, all that together is going to be a straight line. So my linear pair is going to be angle EOA and angle AOC. Okay, now the next question, 2B, down here, but I'm going to leave it up here so we can see the video or see the diagram. Name two complementary angles. So complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So if you notice, I have 90 degree on this side, so there's a 90 degree. AD is a straight line, so I need to have ABC and COD. So together those two will make a right angle. So I have angle BOC and angle COD. Now for 2C it says name two supplementary angles. Now in this case supplementary is the same as linear pair because all these right here are going to be touching each other. So I could just use the previous answers. So for this one, for the linear pair, angle EOA and angle AOC. Okay, so it's down here. So now next one says give at least two pairs of adjacent angles. So two pairs of adjacent angles. So adjacent angles just need to be next to each other. They're touching each other. So if you notice the ones in green, they're touching each other. So those are going to be adjacent. So it's going to be, here, I'm going to say angle BOC and angle COD. So that's one pair. And let's put another one with that. So let's say BOA. So angle BOA. So right here, BOA, so something touching that, so it's going to be right here. I'm going to say this one, so it's going to be AOE. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is, actually those are done right there, so here it is.